the math notes box for this lesson. Okay, there is no math notes box, which describes how to find, okay, in this example, then examine the rectangle to the right. If the perimeter of the shape is 120 centimeters, okay, so what's perimeter mean? Yeah, so P is equal to 120. P is 120. Which equation below represents this fact? Once you have selected, oh, cool. You look, you don't have 4 problems. You just have to find the right one. See? So, oh yeah, 2 times one side plus 2 times the other side equals 1. Boom. And solve it, yeah. So, 12x. Are you copying it down? You have to copy it down, huh? Okay, do it. It's a good idea. 2x plus 5 equals 120. All right. What do you get? $16x plus 8 equals 120. Wait, I wrote 18. Wait, 16x equals 112 divided by 16 divided by 16. I will also use my mental math. Don't forget to ask your teacher if you can use a calculator. Speaking of mental math, 112 over 16. Set x equals. All right, 7, right? Did you get 7?